Have you applied for University of Lexembourg scholarship? If you haven't applied for this scholarship, this is a one-time scholarship you don't need to miss in this 2024. This scholarship comes with a lot of financial benefit for international students who want to study in their university. This is a wonderful opportunity you don't need to miss. In this video, I'm going to lead you to the process of applying for this particular scholarship. This scholarship, like I said, it comes with a lot of benefits, so you don't need to miss this particular scholarship. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you, my returning subscribers, for always coming back to watch my videos. If you just come across my video today, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel, I'll be giving you trending topics on scholarships, especially this particular scholarship we're going to talk about in this video. I'll also give you trending topics on free universities, especially affordable universities you can apply for as an international student. All you need to do is to subscribe to the YouTube channel, share this YouTube video to individuals that need this particular information so that they can be able to apply for this particular scholarship. Let me lead you to the process of applying for this wonderful scholarship you don't need to miss in this 2024 as an international student. This is one of the trending scholarship that you need to apply for. You don't even need to miss any bit of this particular scholarship. This scholarship is actually meant for some courses. They don't accept all courses. So if you want to study in this university, there are several courses they offer this scholarship for. So we are going to go ahead to actually know how the scholarship works and know the courses that can apply for this particular scholarship. So let's go ahead, because the people that can actually write this particular scholarship, that can apply for this particular scholarship, is those people that are studying law, economics and finance. So these are the scholarship they can apply for. Let's go ahead and know people that can apply for this particular scholarship. This advanced bank scholarship is actually meant for those who want to get a master's degree in finance and economics. They are actually the ones that can apply for this particular scholarship, and they offer 500 euro every month if you get this particular scholarship. So this is a wonderful opportunity if you want to study finance and economics. One of the selected criteria for you to apply for this particular scholarship is must be frequent in English and also have a basic knowledge of mathematics, statistics, IT and risk management. So for you to apply for this particular scholarship, you can go ahead to go to their website and contact their customer care, or contact the university for you to apply for this particular scholarship. Airline and ovary scholarship is actually meant for some set of people who actually want to study a particular course. So if you want to have a bachelor's degree in law, this is a wonderful scholarship for you to apply for. Their monthly stipend is 5,000 euro per student. So this is a wonderful opportunity if you want to study this particular course. The application procedure, the necessary things you need to have for you to apply for this particular scholarship is for you to have your letter of motivation, curriculum vitae, justification of your financial revenue, your civil status and your proof of residence, a certificate of registration at the University of Lexembourg. So this is a wonderful opportunity if you want to apply for this particular scholarship. You can go ahead and click on the link and move on to apply for the scholarship. The next one we are going to be talking about is actually ending 15th of February. So this is a wonderful scholarship. It's a 1-year master's degree program, and the monthly stipend they offer for this particular course is 19,000 euro. If you want to study European and international tax law, this is a wonderful opportunity for you to grab in this 2024. So another one is followership scholarship. This scholarship is actually ending 26th of March. So this is a wonderful scholarship if you want to grab a bachelor degree in management and economics. So this is a wonderful opportunity for you to also grab in this 2024. So there are several scholarships that you can also apply for here. You can go ahead and check all of them. If you want to grab a master's degree, law, economics and finance, this is a wonderful scholarship you can also apply for. And they also offer internships, so you can go ahead and check for all these scholarships. Know the ones that are still ongoing and know the ones you can apply for if you want to study in this particular university, or you can keep checking on them to know when they have started their application procedure, if you can go ahead to apply for them. So there are still many ongoing ones, like this one I'm going to tell you now is recently they are still applying for this particular scholarship. This scholarship actually started on 30th of January and is ending on 25th of March 2024. For you to apply for this scholarship, you need to have your statement of purpose, the motivation letter, your CV and 2 letters of recommendation for you to apply for this particular scholarship. So if you want to have a PhD or a doctorate degree in economics, finance, law and political science, this is a scholarship for you. You just need to go with the application procedure, click the application link and register for this particular scholarship. It is still ongoing. So this is a wonderful scholarship if you really want to apply and go for this 2024, if you want to study in this university. And also if you want to get a master's degree in accounting and auditing, this is a wonderful scholarship also you can also grab. All you need to do is for you to check their application deadline, check the application date, so that you will not miss any of the application. Check everything you need to get and apply for this particular scholarship, because this is a wonderful opportunity. Let's check the cost of living and the budget you can find in this particular university. This university is a wonderful university. Let's check the cost of living. So on your arrival, when you are granted the scholarship, they are going to give you health insurance, your rent and everything that you need to get in this particular scholarship. They say the estimated monthly budget for a student is very difficult to assess the cost of living of university education, but they said registration of university is 400 euro per semester, housing is 400 euro per semester, then your rent guarantee deposit is 900 euro, your rent insurance is 60 euro per year, your meal is 360 euro, your telephone is 40 euro. So these are the cost of living if you want to study in this particular university. And guess what, like I said before, they offer scholarships. So if you want to study in this particular university, all you need to do is for you to grab the opportunity and get their scholarship. Apart from the scholarship they also offer student hardship fund. If you are finding it difficult to pay tuition fees in this particular university, you can apply for their student hardship form. So there are eligible people who can actually apply for this particular student hardship form. If you have enrolled in a master or bachelor's degree program in their university, if you are having a self-funded doctorate student, that's if you have applied for self-funding in their university, you have opportunity of applying for this hardship fund. The next part of it is that you have to register for 3rd semester on your study program and above. Non-qualify for a financial aid. So these are the qualification, the eligibility for you to apply for this particular hardship form. So you can still go ahead and apply for it. If you are not given this one, you can still accept this one. But before you apply for this particular scholarship or the hardship assistance, you need to apply for the university first, because most people will still come to the comment section to ask me if you are going to apply for the university before you apply for the scholarship. To clear your doubts, before you apply for this particular scholarship, you need to apply for the university first. If you are granted admission, then you have opportunity of granting scholarship. If you apply for the school first, you can go ahead and apply for this scholarship, or you apply for the hardship fund. So these are the wonderful opportunity. They also still offer food vouchers. So if you are not financial buoyant to get food for yourself, they also offer food voucher, especially for self-funding students. You can still get food voucher, you can still apply for them. So this is a wonderful opportunity if you want to study in this particular
I said this is one scholarship you don't need to miss in this 2024 if you really want to travel in this 2024.
All you need to do is for you to walk through the process of applying for this particular scholarship. If you are lucky enough, the scholarship will be granted to you for you to study in this particular university. You can still share these YouTube videos to individuals who actually need this information so that they can be able to apply for this particular scholarship. All you need to do is for you to walk through the process and apply for the scholarship. Thank you for watching my video up to this moment. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this YouTube video, drop your comment below. If you need a link to this application, you can see it in the description button. Go through the process of applying for this particular scholarship. Thank you and see you in my next video.